everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I'm going to be doing a review of the Born Pretty Nude Jelly collection. This is very new for me. I have never actually purchased any jelly gel polish at all. A jelly gel polish is kind of like a coloured but transparent gel polish, so it looks like jelly, as jelly is generally like transparent but has colour to it, if that makes sense. I have got a couple of gel polishes from the odd collection that have sort of resembled a jelly polish where they have been coloured and transparent, but I've never actually gone out of my way to purchase any, and these ones just sound very different as they are all nude colours. I'm very excited to check them out. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be unboxing this collection, I'm going to be swatching them and just overall seeing what they are like. I have good expectations. I have tested out the Born Pretty Reflective Glitter Gels as well as the Born Pretty Spring Macaroon collection. I have done videos on both of those. I will leave those linked in the description box if you'd like to check those out as well. Both really beautiful collections, so I have high hopes for this one too. So I'm going to jump straight into the video, but before I do, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. And other than that, let's crack on and have a look at this kit. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's the same packaging that the reflective glitter gels come in. It just says Shine Myself on the box, and it's just super simplistic but super pretty and really nice to look at. This kit is available on Amazon UK for £16.99. I will leave a link to it in my description box, as well as a link for the Amazon.com, and I'll also try and find them on the Born Pretty website and link that for you as well. Inside of the box we have the Born Pretty Gel Nail Polish User Manual. This will just give you a bit of information about how to use the gel polish and also how to remove it. Really useful little thing to have, especially for a beginner. And then this is what the gel polishes themselves look like inside of the packaging. Very compact, which I really like. I hate it when you buy a kit that has got so much packaging. It's a complete waste. I love a good small compact box. It's just better for the environment, and it's just not necessary to have a whole load of packaging, so I absolutely love this packaging. So this is what the bottles look like. This is a 6-piece collection. These are 7ml bottles. I really love the Born Pretty packaging. I feel like they've done an absolutely fantastic job with it. It looks super fancy, super elegant, classy. It just looks really nice set up on your shelf. We have got the Born Pretty logo in gold metallic embossed onto a glass bottle with this gorgeous matte gold lid with a nice gold ring there. On the back of the bottle we have got all the ingredients as well as the caution guidelines there, and then a little information about the gel polish itself. So this is a translucent colour gel. The more layers that you apply, the more sort of colour will come through. Okay, so I have gone in and given all of my swatch sticks a coat of the Born Pretty base coat. I am going to start off by going in with this one, which is BPSP05 Sycamore Street. All of these gel polishes do have like peach undertones. I don't know how it is across the world, but here in the UK there's like some jobs, some schools, etc. that don't allow you to have like bright colourful nails, and I think this collection is just really good for just like having your nails looking really pretty but natural pretty, just to add a bit of colour, add a bit of shine, and yeah, it's just a really nice sort of natural looking gel polish. So that's just one coat of that one. I will be going through and giving them all 3 coats, but that is just one colour. As you can see, it's very sheer, but just has a really nice natural tone to it. Next I'm going to go with this one, which is BPSP06 Caged Bird. So all of Born Pretty's gel polishes are made with healthy ingredients. They are made of purified water, mineral pigments and natural resin. So they are completely safe for use, which we like. There's no strong smell. They last up to 2 to 3 weeks. And overall I've been very pleased with the Born Pretty gel polish so far. So that is one coat of Caged Bird. Next up, I'm going in with BPSP10 Flower Wedding. Oh wow, that is a beautiful colour. I was not expecting that. This one looks really, really, really pretty. So as you can see, like, you don't get a huge amount of colour coming through at all, but you can build these up layer by layer to get more colour. They look slightly different depending on what light you put underneath, whether it's a cool light or warm light. You get different tones. But yeah, that was very, very, very chic. You can see that nice sort of pink tone to it. But yeah, I look forward to seeing what these look like once they build up a bit. Next up we have BPSP01 called Orphilia, I think. You can definitely see the peachy undertones with the gel polish, but I do like them. I think they're just absolutely perfect for that completely natural look, where your nails just look like perfectly coloured, perfectly shiny, just really happy and healthy, without it being like too obvious. You know, like how people do like no makeup where they do like really natural looking makeup, so they don't really look like they're wearing like makeup, but like they just sort of look like healthy, happy, alert. That's sort of what these remind me of. So like no polish if that makes sense. But yeah, very, very natural. Okay, this one is BPSP02 Cranberries. So there's like a good variety of here between like really, really, really like natural ones. So then they got like this one that's sort of a little bit more pinky, but still absolutely beautiful nude colour. I think this one might be one of my favourites so far. I've been really liking nude nails lately. Like most of my nail art I've done recently has been like on a nude base with a bit of colour. But I'm always in need of new nudes. Okay, the last one is BPSP03 Miss Coco. And there's this one. There we go, that was that one. Okay, so this is how they're all looking with one coat. You can definitely see a difference between each and every colour. I'm now going to go in, I'm going to give them all another coat. I'm going to cure that, show you all of them, and then I'll go in and give them a third coat. I'm going to check that out, and then I will be applying some top coat to see how they look under glossy top coat and matte top coat. Okay, so this is how they are looking after 2 coats. I'm now going to go in and give them all a third. Okay, and then that is the 6 colours once they have had 3 coats. As you can see, they are buildable, so it kind of reminds me of like bronzer. Like with bronzer, I tend to go for the less pigmented ones so I can build up, because you can always add more but you can't take off, and I absolutely hate a really pigmented blush or bronzer or anything like that, because they just can be too pigmented, and yeah, once it's on your face you can't take it off. And that's what all these remind me of, because they're buildable, so you can start off, you can either just have one coat which is a really, really, really subtle, just slight little tint of colour, a little bit of shine, and just sort of a very, very natural, or you can build them up and get more of like a proper colour. I really like them all. Like, I like each and every one of them. I, in all honesty, wasn't sure if I was going to like this collection that much, but I tell you what, looking at it now, I really, really, really do. I really like this peachy colour here. I think that's gorgeous. I actually really like the jelly pink as well. I think they're all really nice. I think this one is an absolutely gorgeous nude colour. Got sort of like this one that kind of is probably the deeper one out of them all, but it's still really nice. I just think they're all really, really, really pretty. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with the Born Pretty glossy top coat and the Born Pretty matte top coat. Both really, really, really nice top coats, by the way. Really cannot fault them. Actually, I think they're my new favourites. But yeah, I'm going to go in, I'm going to do half and half off camera on these, and I'm going to check them out, see how they look with the glossy top coat, and then how they look matte as well. So I'll be right back with the results. So there we go. As you can see, I've done half and half glossy and matte. Look at the shine. I say this every time. Look at the shine. I love it. And the matte, you can just see how beautiful they are. But yeah, I really wasn't expecting to like this kit as much as I do. I actually do really love it. I really love the shades. I love the way they apply. All of the Born Pretty gel polishes I've tried so far have been a really nice consistency. They've been really nice to use. The brushes have been really nice. The feel of the bottles, the handles, everything in that aspect is always really nice. This isn't the sort of kit I would have normally gone out of my way to get, but I'm glad I've got this. Like, thank you so much, Born Pretty, because it's actually a really nice collection. I think it's a fantastic little selection of nudes, and I definitely would recommend it. They're nice and buildable, so you can either have that really natural sheer look with just a little bit of pigment, a little bit of shine, or you can build up a bit more into a bit more of a solid colour. But yeah, this is what they look like under a cool light. This is how they look underneath a warm light as well, so they are super, super, super pretty. I really do love them. So that is the end of this video. I really hope you have enjoyed it. Like I said, I will leave all the links to this kit down in my description box, as well as my previous Born Pretty videos I have done. Beautiful collection, definitely on my recommendation list. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. Thank you so much for watching. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!